Part 4, angles. Practice problem 3. This first problem, we want a student to try at home to use a protractor to draw a 37-degree, this is the acute angle, 143 and the obtuse angle. So let them try to also have a rough idea. Acute angle is smaller than 90, and obtuse angle is greater than 90, to have a feel. Here are some concepts about angles. Adjacent angles, if we use this, A and B are adjacent angles. 2, straight angle is 180 degrees. Supplementary angles, let's use A and B, angle A and B as an example. If angle A plus angle B equals to 180, so these A or B is the supplementary angle to the other side. So A is the supplementary angle for B, and vice versa. B is the supplementary angle of A. Complementary angle is 90 degrees. So if some angle C plus some angle D equals to 90, and these two are complementary angles to each other. Here are some definition that students can. A and E, AE is here. They are corresponding angles. We like the students and coaches to remember all the names for the angles.